12th standard English, Unit 5, Prose with Chat. Author K. Rajanarayan. Okay, so the chant, the prose, the title name. Okay, so through the title we can understand. So what is the content? What is the main theme of this prose? Okay, so before we learn that main theme of this prose, just let us learn about the author K. Rajanarayan. Rajanarayan, popularly known by Tamil initial as K. Ra, is a Tamil folklorist and a prolific author. The short story, actually this is a short story. The chair is written in 1969. 1969, and its original title is Narkali. In the Tamil word, the translate Narkali we can use. Kira spent decades collecting folk tales from the Karisal Kadu, the Tamil word Karisal Kadu, and publishing them in popular magazines. Okay, then after write the Karisal Kadu, then publish the magazines. In 2007, the Tanjavur based publishing house Annam compiled these folk tales into 944 page book, the Nattupura Kadai Kalanjiyam. Okay, so that's about his authors. Before we write this passage on paragraph, just we have to write about the author, then we have to conclude this prose. Okay, just we have to start this prose, the chat. So this incident happened on family situation. The family situation, the characters I have mentioned here. Family friend, first they introduced on family friend sub-judge, that profession, sub-judge. Okay, so then Pedana is a brother. The family members, the details I have mentioned here. Pedana is a brother, father and mother, Mamanar. Okay, the Tamil word we have to use now. So they have mentioned Mamanar. So he is always chewing petal leaves. Sister, there is one sister and children. Okay, so they have read, and also the finally Sugandhi is one of the characters. The village neighboring street. So she is a lady. She came and she visited their family members. Okay, so afterwards it will come to Sugandhi. Okay, just let us start this prose. The main theme of this prose, the chair. Okay, that first the family friend. He is a family friend. The sub-judge, the profession only they have given. They didn't give any names. Okay, so he came to their house. After he entered the house, there is no chair in that house. Only they had 3 legs stools. Okay, instead of chair, they took the 3 legs stool, then they kept it to sit. Okay, and then the family friend sub-judge sat on the 3 legs stools. Okay. 3 legs stool. Okay. So for what purpose they have got that 3 legs stool? The family members know. So the curd, the shaking milk, the curd, no. So that purpose only they got it the 3 legs stool. So they had used to sit on the chief, the guest. What is the family friend subject? He sat on the 3 legs stool. The corner of this 3 legs stool, if he sit, it will fall down. The family members already they had sat. The situation happened. At the same time, the family friend subject also, he had sat the corner of the 3 legs stool. Okay, then he fell down. The family members, everyone, they were laughing. Okay, then they couldn't control their laugh. They went back of the garden side. Then they were continuously laughing. They couldn't control their laugh. Then again they came. After control, then they came and visited the subject. And then he went. Okay, he didn't say anything. Then after they discussed, where is the 3 legs stool? Did he take it along with him? Just they discussed. They asking themselves. Okay, they are asking themselves. Okay, next. Pedana. He's a brother, father, mother, and mamana, sister, children. So after they decided, so we need one chair. So perfect chair we need in our family members. Okay, they decided then where we will get the good chair. Okay, so I forgot to write here on ant. And here they have mentioned in Tamil Attai. Okay, so where we want to get the new chairs. Okay, so we need two chairs. One is for us, another one is for Mamanar house. Who is the Mamanar house? Okay, so we need to order which one, who is making the good carpenter to the chair. Okay, who is a perfect carpenter? So Attai, that is an aunt, said to the Pedana. Okay, near my village, he is a good perfect carpenter. Okay, so also he made the governor chair also he made. So governor praised him. So he is a perfect man. So we will order to him. So okay, they decided to order the two chair, the carpenter man. Carpenter. Okay. The carpenter man, two chair. After they prepared the two chair, it arrived. The chair arrived the house, their house, and the family members, Pedana, father, mother, sister, children, everyone they were enjoying. So who want to sit first? And then father and children and Pedana asked which chair. The two chairs. Okay, now it came two chairs in our house. So which chairs best in our family members? Another one chair we will send to Mamanar house. So that's why we have ordered two chairs. One is for us, another one is Mamanar house. So which chair is perfect? That chair we have to keep. So another one chair, remaining one chair, no. So that we will send to Mamanar house. Okay. So then we will send to the Mamanar house another one chair. Okay. So it is after a long time. The days is passing over. After the long time, after the long days, an incident happened. Okay, now before the incident happened, the children, I told you, the children they were fighting. Who want to sit first on the chair? Okay, I want to sit first. So otherwise another one children complained to her mother. So he didn't accept to sit on chair. So just he complained, blaming to everyone. The children were fighting who want to sit first on the chair. Then afterwards, after long days, okay, that midnight time, around 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock time, okay, someone came or was knocking the door. The Pedana was sleeping nearby the door. Pedana was opened the door. So someone unknown person asked to the chair. So an important person died in our village. Important person. Important person died. So we need one chair, your chair. Okay. So but the Pedana, the family members, everyone knows that person, the dead person. For this chair need for our funeral. Okay. So he didn't say anything. So what I do? So okay, you can take, because he is a knowing person to in our family members. So they allowed to take the chair. Okay. So they took from the Pedana house the chair, and the funeral function, after they completed the funeral, then returned the chair to the family members. Okay, and then after complete the funeral, they returned the chair into the house, and the family members afraid to sit on the chair, because one dead person sat on chair. So how can we sit on chair? So they had used number of buckets water. They cleaned the water chair. Okay, after clean, they hesitate to sit. They got afraid. Even the children also. Okay, so before who want to sit first on chair, they were fighting. Now you first sit, then after I will sit. They were discussed. Now they were fighting. Okay, so you first sit, then I will sit. The children are fighting. The family members, everyone got afraid. Okay, so this incident so unforgettable. So that person once sat on chair. So how can we say? Okay, the days was passed, and another one elder and younger person, old man came and visited the house. He also didn't like to sit on his chair. Okay, he sat on floor mat with the mat. Okay, so and after that one Sugandhi. Okay, Sugandhi with baby. Sugandhi with the baby, she came. She is a near street. She is a near street. and she came and visited the family members and she asked. Suddenly she, without any knowledge from there, she sat on chair. So afterwards, everyone got feel happy because first after sat the dead person, she sat on chair. So everyone felt happy. So hereafter there is no fear. So we will sit on chair. So they decided to sit. The children also, they felt happy. So with the babies, okay, Sugandhi with baby she came and sat. Okay, everyone felt happy. So we will not get any afraid. They felt that like. Okay, and next the Mamanar said no. So after mother sent to Mamanar house. Ki Raja Narayanan, okay, went to Mamanar house. So because already they have sent one chair, no. So just he wanted to visit that chair. So where is the chair? So that is alone. Okay, so what purpose was keep that like so that paste, that is the chewing petal leaves on paste, no, lime paste they applied. So that alone only. Okay, so why do you want to keep that like so? Or what I do? Okay, just they were conversation. Okay, so chair is valuable, but we had so many times unfortunately it happened. Unlucky time. Okay, the chair is unlucky, so I don't like to sit on chair. Who said? The Mamanar. Okay, so finally the family members situations about the chair, the importance of the chair, how we will use, and they hesitate to sit. After that, dead person, one important person died. So the village people asked the chair to sit on the chair. So they allowed to take. So next time also they came and asked for funeral. So they felt what they had felt. So this is unlucky time of this chair. So this is not comfortable as they felt that like. So okay, this is the important main theme of this prose. Again I recall these characters: family friend first, the paternal father, mother, mamana, sister, children, and Sugandhi with baby, and also aunt, atte. Okay, thank you students.